If you're experiencing server timeout issues in FIFA 24, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve your connection. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or connecting via an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Step 2. Restart your console or PC. Sometimes, simply restarting your gaming device can resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your console or PC completely, wait for a minute, and then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 3. Update FIFA 24. Make sure that you have the latest version of FIFA 24 installed. Developers often release patches to fix bugs and improve server performance. Check for updates in your game library and install any available updates. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Switching to a different DNS server can improve your connection. Go to your network settings and change your DNS to public DNS like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8 4.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1. Save the changes and restart your connection. Step 5. Contact EA support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to EA support for assistance. They can provide specific troubleshooting steps or inform you of any ongoing server issues that might be affecting your gameplay. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce server timeout issues in FIFA 24 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.